Hi, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're talking about a root vegetable that's as nutritious as it is colorful, beets. I'll share their incredible health benefits, show you how to clean them, and give you a few easy ways to enjoy them. Stick around, and don't forget to hit that like button if you're excited to learn more. Let's start with why beets are a superfood. They're packed with vitamin C, potassium, fiber, and folate, but the real magic happens with their nitrates. When you eat beets, those nitrates convert into nitric oxide in your body. Nitric oxide helps relax and widen your blood vessels, improving blood flow and lowering blood pressure. So, they're great for heart health and circulation, and that's not all. Beets also boost your stamina by improving oxygen flow to your muscles, making them a favorite among athletes. Plus, they're full of antioxidants, which reduce inflammation and support liver health. Basically, beets are tiny nutritional powerhouses. Now, let's talk about cleaning these beauties. Beets grow underground, so they can be a little dirty. Start by rinsing them under cold water to remove the dirt. If you're worried about staining your hands, gloves can help. Next, trim off the greens and root ends. Remember, those greens are edible. You can sauté them or toss them into a smoothie for extra nutrition. If you plan to cook the beets, you don't need to peel them just yet. Cooking will make the skins easier to remove. There are so many ways to enjoy beets. You can boil, steam, or roast them. I personally love roasting because it brings out their natural sweetness. Just wrap them in foil and bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about an hour. Once they're cool, the skins will peel right off. Slice them into salads, blend them into smoothies, or pickle them for a tangy treat. And if you've never tried beet hummus, you're missing out. It's colorful, delicious, and healthy. Beets are also perfect for juicing. But here's a tip. You only need a small amount. Use about 1/4 to half of a medium-sized beet per juice. Beets are super potent, so start small and mix them with other fruits and veggies like apples, carrots, or cucumbers for a balanced flavor. Beets aren't just tasty, they're full of benefits for your body and so easy to prepare. I hope this video inspires you to give them a try. Let me know in the comments. Have you eaten beets before? If so, how do you like to prepare them? I'd love to hear your ideas. Before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a healthy tip or delicious recipe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.